Yeah, good morning to all of you. Today we will see Unit 1, the introduction to the analysis of electricity. First topic of honors, notion of an algorithm. First, we'll see the introduction about the algorithm, why we need an algorithm. Yes, it is important for all the branches of computer science. It plays a key role in modern technological innovation. As a developer, our everyday work is to solve a problem and algorithm to solve the problem very efficiently. So algorithm, well, now we'll see the definition of an algorithm. Yeah, before going to this definition, how do algorithm shapes our world? Page ranking algorithm. Google. It uses page ranking algorithm. Whatever we are searching in web, according to the ranking that is displayed. Then collaborative filtering algorithm. It is used in Amazon and Netflix for movie recommendation. Same way, Vistra algorithm used in Google Map or traffic signaling, some other distance calculation. Those areas can use this Vistra algorithm. Then, what is an algorithm? Yes, the algorithm is a set of instructions that specifies a sequence of operation. Algorithm is a set of instructions that specifies sequence of operation. These instructions are carried to solve a specific problem. That is what the algorithm. So this is very important to know. So define an algorithm. Then notion of an algorithm. So already you know the formal definition for algorithm. The algorithm is a sequence of unambiguous instruction for solving a problem. Okay. So um, obtaining obtaining a required output for a problem, we need a legitimate input in a finite amount of time. This is the notion of an algorithm. Yes. So to solve a problem, we are writing an algorithm, but for that algorithm, we need at least one input. In a finite amount of time, the algorithm should give a proper output. It may be a one output or many output. So this is the notion of an algorithm. An algorithm takes the input and transforms it into an adequate output. And also the range of inputs for which an algorithm works has to be specified carefully. All the inputs, whatever the inputs you are giving, that should be you have to specify carefully. Then it must be independent for any programming language. Algorithm must be independent for any programming language. These are some features of an algorithm. And also it should be a non-ambiguity in nature. The same algorithm can be represented in several different ways, and algorithm may exist several algorithms for solving the same problem. An algorithm for the same problem can be based on very different ideas and solve the problem with different speed. Each algorithm having a different speed, and you can solve a particular problem with the help of any algorithm. Okay, these are the various characteristics of an algorithm. Then we'll see the simple illustration of finding GCD. We have three methods for finding greatest common divisor. Method one is elicit algorithm. Method two is teacher checking algorithm. Method three is middle school procedure, normal procedure. So each algorithm having its own time complexity and space complexity. So we need to choose good algorithm with less time taken. Okay. So elicit algorithm, it obviously uses the mathematical operation. So if n equal to 0, step 1, if n equal to 0, returns the value of m as the answer and stops the algorithm. Otherwise, step 2, divide m by n and assign the value of the remainder to the r. assign the value of n to m and value to r up to n. Again, go to step 1. Again, check if n equal to 0, return the value of n. So likewise, it goes. For example, GCD of 60, 24 will give GCD of 24, 12, then 24, 12, 0. Finally, the GCD is 12. Greatest common divisor is 12. Same way, the method 2, integer checking method. So assign step 1, assign the value of minimum of m, n to t. Then divide m by t. If remainder is 0, then go to step 3. Otherwise, go to step 4. If remainder is 0, divide m by n by t. If the remainder is 0, return the value t as the answer and stop the algorithm. Otherwise, decrease the value of e and go to step 2. So this is integer checking method. And method 3, middle school method, obviously you have to write the prime factors of each number, and you can take the common factors and you can multiply the common factors, you will get the GCD. So these are the 3 different procedures for finding the GCD. So your ultimate aim is to find the greatest common divisor, but we have 3 different kind of algorithm. We have to choose which algorithm is best based on the time complexity. It should take minimum amount of time to find the greatest common divisor. This is the notion of an algorithm. I hope you understand the meaning of an algorithm and what are the characteristics of an algorithm and how to write an algorithm with the help of finding GCD example. So algorithm, the basic definition is it's a step-by-step procedure, simple. It's one line, you can write step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. That's all. This is the exact meaning for an algorithm. Okay, that's all. Today's class, notion of an algorithm is over. Next class we'll see about characteristics of algorithm and what are the steps to build an algorithm. Okay, just recall what are the information we have gained here today. Yes, notion of an algorithm. Why we need algorithm? Why we are studying algorithm? Okay. Then, how do algorithms shape our real world? Like Google page ranking and Netflix collaborative filtering and Google distro algorithm. These algorithms really much useful for our real world problems. Then definition for an algorithm. Already I said it is a finite step of instruction that specify a sequence of operation. These instructions are carried out to solve a particular problem. Then formal definition for notion of an algorithm. Each algorithm should have at least one input and it may give one or many outputs. This is within the stipulated time, finite amount of time. That is very important. That is the notion of an algorithm. And various characteristics of algorithm. The algorithm transforms the input into adequate output, and the range of input should be specified carefully, and it must be independent for any programming language, and it should be non-ambiguity. And same algorithm can be represented in different ways, and there may be exist several algorithms for single problem. So these are the various characteristics. Likewise, we have written one simple illustration to find the GCD of a number with 3 different algorithm. 3 different algorithm having 3 different time complexity. So we can choose which one is best based on the time complexity. Okay, that's all. Thank you, Nandal. Thank you.